Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1, going to talk about our survey data collection, which is about online shopping behaviorism in a year.
As we can see in the table, on the first class interval which from 1 until 10 times in a year, the frequency is 218. So the lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 10. It shows that the midpoint is 5.5, so the lower boundary is 0.5, while the upper boundary is 10.5. Secondly, on the second class interval, the range is between 11 until 20 times. The frequency 190 is so that the lower limit is 11, while the upper limit is 20. The midpoint is 15.5, the end lower boundary is 11.5, and the upper boundary is 20.
Following this, on the third class interval, which is from 21 to 30 times in a year, the frequency is 160. So the lower limit is 21 and the upper limit is 30. It shows that the midpoint is 25.5, so the lower boundary is 20.5, while the upper boundary is 30.5. Lastly, on the last class interval, the range is between 31 to 40 times. The frequency is 330, so that the lower limit is 31 while the upper limit is 40. The midpoint is 35.5, the lower boundary is 30.5 and the upper boundary is 40.5.
Next, we go through the graph. The graph is about number of people against online shopping behaviorism in a year. As you can see, people who online shop 1 until 10 times a year is about 280%. Next, people who shop 11 until 20 times is about 190%.
Thirdly, the person who online shop in range 21 to 30 is about 160. Lastly, the person who online shop between 31 to 40 times a year is 330.
For data analysis, mean using the formula sum of fx over sum of f, and we get 21.125. Next, standard deviation, root of sum of fx squared over sum of f. Then we get 12.3164. After that, the mode is 31 till 40 because the frequency is highest, which is at 330. Lastly, median is 480, which is at 21 till 30.
As the conclusion for this research, the highest frequency for online shopping behaviorism per year is 31 until 40. Hence, we know that more people are online shopping since the pandemic happened. So this causes the digital marketing move fast and e-commerce during coronavirus even more. All the online seller needs to upgrade and do a lot of improvements ever since online shopping now becomes the priority to everyone around the world.
Well, that's all from us today. Thank you. This is the link for our reference.